Welcome to our CDI streaming tutorial video. In this video, we will be walking you through the basics of how to set up Flame and Colorfront streaming server for CDI viewing in Amazon Web Services. Whether you are new to the process or just need a refresher, this tutorial will provide you with the skills and knowledge you need to get the most out of our software. Before getting started, let's look at a diagram of what we are demonstrating. We have Flame on the cloud running on its own Linux EC2 instance. Colorfront streaming server running another Windows EC2 instance. We are showing a facility that is accessing the systems from a direct connection and remote customers connecting to the streams from the public internet using the Colorfront streaming technology and applications. So let's get started. First, you will need to log into the AWS console, navigate to EC2, turn on your Flame CDI instance and streaming server CDI instance. Then you will want to open the corresponding instances with whatever remote desktop solution your company uses. For this video demonstration, we are using Nice DCV. In Settings, go to the CDI tab and set the CDI adapter IP and CDI port to Channel Settings. Then navigate to the SRT Gateway tab and turn Manage SRT Gateway and Use Broker to On. Next, you enter the broker/SRT gateway address, which should be set to broker-API-test.colorfront.cloud. Then below that, you will want to enter your SRT gateway password. You only need to configure these details once and they will be saved. Once this is set, you are ready to stream. To choose your CDI input, go to Channels on the top menu, Input, select CDI, then select the CDI port. The CDI image will then appear in the viewer. To learn more about our streaming server, we have a dedicated video that provides more information about its capabilities and features. Additionally, please check out the streaming server sections in our Help Center or at our website at colorfront.com/streaming.